Imagine turning a simple prompt into a stunning interactive motion graphics for your SaaS demo or YouTube intro. No design skills needed. Remotion and Claude Code just joined up and gave us a new way to create videos using agent skills. Now we can create videos programmatically and create real MP4 videos using React components. Watch this. Today I will show you how you can use Claude Code plus Remotion and create interactive motion graphics. We will start with this logo. First, you can create your logo in whichever software you feel comfortable with, whether that be Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva. Next, you can install Claude Code into your VS Code or use Cursor. You can go here to Extensions and search for Claude Code. Click on Claude Code and click on Install. As you can see, I already have Claude Code installed. After that, you will create a folder and name it Remotion or whatever you want to call it. I'll create another folder in the Remotion folder and call it Remotion Studio. After that, you will CD into that folder and in the terminal will communicate with Claude Code. You can install Remotion skills by just copy and pasting these NPX skills and go through the process, or just launch Claude and ask it to install the NPX skills for Remotion, which is what I'm doing here. After the installation, you'll get a message saying the Remotion skill has been successfully installed. You will see created a whole bunch of files. Remotion will need to do its magic. In the Remotion Studio folder, I created an image folder and pasted my logo in there called Nexus AI Partners. You can go through these rules files and see how they have been set up, but for now, let's ask Claude what we want to do. I'll ask Claude to use the logo in the images folder and create a 10-second logo intro with fade in text Nexus AI Partners, a rocket animation with a blue gradient background. Claude Code will run through the process and start creating the necessary files and React components for the animation. And just in a few seconds, you will see our animation video has been created. Claude gives us the layout. A 10-second logo intro that features a blue gradient background, floating particles, logo fade in, etc., etc. Let's see how it looks. It says Remotion Studio is running at our local host 3000. Let's click on it to open it. There we go. This is the Remotion dashboard and interface. We have our timeline here where we can play our video. You can see our video playing here. Nice, looking good, not bad. We have all fade in logo and text. We have our rocket animation with a blue gradient background. Let me change this text here that says Nexus AI Partners because we already have our logo say Nexus AI Partners. Now we can ask Claude Code to change our text, but if we want to save credits, we can just simply change the text ourselves in the file. Let's change the text here and say, we're here to launch your ideas. That will go nice with our rocket image launching off. Let's see if it changed the text. Yeah, it changed. We're here to launch your ideas. Look how simple that was. And all the animations are still intact. How long was that going to take you in After Effects and still have to render it out? Here we can just simply prompt what we want and in a few seconds see the results. No rendering needed. Let's take it a step further. Let's see if we can add some interaction to this animation. Let's ask Claude, can we make the logo an interactive button that when you click it, the rocket icon should fly off the screen. Let's see if Claude Code can cook up something for us. It's doing its thing and running through the tokens. It asks me a question. I just say yes. Sometimes you will need to read through what it asks, depending on how serious the project is. But for this, we know what we want and we trust that Claude Code will do its thing. Okay, it looks like it's done. Let's see if this works. Let's play the animation and wait for it to be done. Then let's click on the logo. And what do you know? Our rocket icon flew off the screen. Oh yeah, and if you want, you can export this as a video. You can simply go here to the render button at the bottom right corner and click render. You can choose to either render out a still image, a video, audio, or an image sequence. Let's choose a video. We'll go with H264. We want the full frame length. Let's click render video. Then in the top right, click starting job. Remotion will render out the video. Let's go to the folder and see how it came out. There you go, guys. Just from a simple prompt, we have ourselves and an animation video created in less than a few minutes. Just talk to Claude Code or Google's anti-gravity IDE where you can build websites and applications and use the same Remotion skill there. Guys, the future is here and everything is possible. You can go ahead and integrate 11 Labs for sound and voiceovers and use Nano Banana or Imagen to create images and combine them to create stunning videos and storytelling using N8N for automation, etc. So guys, as you can see, you can go out and do the impossible now. Go and use these AI tools and skill yourself up before it's too late. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.